This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your Steam region to Argentina. Launch your Steam and sign into your Steam account. Now click on your account and click on account details. Here select account details, and as you can see, my current region is Bangladesh. To change it to Argentina, you have to click on update store country and click on contact Steam support. Scroll down and again click on contact Steam support, and please select your country or residence. Click this drop down box, and now here you have to select Argentina, and in this box carefully describe that why you want to change your Steam region to Argentina. Also, you can attach a file by clicking here, then click on send, and that's how you will be able to change your Steam region to Argentina. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.